Hey there, if you are watching this means you likely wanted to know how you can upgrade, downgrade, or change your plan, check out your billing history, or redeem a coupon. So, if you just follow around my lemonade picture here, this is what your serpwizz dashboard looks like when you log in. So from the main dashboard, you are going to want to travel over to your profile icon and click that. You're going to want to go down to subscription. This is going to bring you to the pricing page. Now, right here, you can see what your current plan is. Additionally, you'll see a green highlight here in the word for the title. So if you are a muggle, the muggle part would be green and everything else would be black. Here you can also view, from a comparative standpoint, the pricing monthly, all the features included, and then down here you can click buy now to downgrade or free to downgrade. The same goes for if you're going to upgrade, you can simply click buy now down here. And at any point through any of these tabs, you'll see a cancel subscription button. You can click on that under your pricing plan, within your history, or within the coupon code page. So let's check out history. This will be where you can get all of your receipts and how the payment was made. It shows your payment dates, the total amount paid in USD, the transaction ID, and you can download the receipt here. And again, you can cancel it if needed. Then over here is where you can redeem your coupon codes. So if you've talked to support and gotten a coupon code, or maybe you have a lifetime deal from Pitch Ground or something similar, this is where you can enter your coupon codes. You simply enter them here, click apply, and it will automatically upgrade you to whatever plan that coupon code is attached to. So if it's a lifetime wizard deal, you will then have a wizard plan. And then in history, you would see amount as 0 as you had a lifetime deal. And that is all in terms of billing. Anything you need to know. Again, if you ever have any issues with your billing, feel free to report a bug or contact support either through our Drift chat on the serpwizz site or sending us an email.